Bibble woke up and hic, hic. Bibble blinked. Hic, hic. Oh no, said Bibble. I have a hiccup. And this is not a normal hiccup. This is such a noisy hiccup. Hic, bloop, bloop. Hic, bloop, bloop. A bubble popped out of Bibble's nose. Bibble stared. A bubble hiccup? Have you heard about this? Hic, boing, boing. Bibble bounced in the air. A bouncy hiccup? That's even worse. Hic, toot toot. Hic, toot toot. A tiny trumpet sound came from Bibble's tummy. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, but for Bibble,